Of all the types of cars and trucks on the American highway, one stands out from the crowd: El Camino. The practical vehicle, offering impressive fuel efficiency, the style and comfort of a passenger car, plus the hard-working ability of a pickup truck. It hauls up to 1,250 pounds of gross payload, more than some regular half-ton pickups. And the rugged ribbed steel cargo box can carry large loads like these. When properly equipped, El Camino can tow trailers weighing up to 5,000 pounds. For 1981, El Camino versatility has never been more beautiful. A new bold horizontal grille treatment accentuates the low road-hugging look. And new parking lamps add to that handsome appearance. In addition to the base El Camino, there's a variety of exterior styling available. Conquista, for example, is accented by this striking two-tone paint treatment, available in 15 combinations, bright moldings, and a distinctive Conquista decal. Or there's the contemporary look of the Super Sport model, featuring rally wheels, unique paint accent on the lower body, eye-catching lettering, streamlined color-keyed sport mirrors, and a front air dam style for improved aerodynamics and beauty. For that distinctive apart-from-the-crowd look, the Royal Night package builds on the features of Super Sport and includes striking hood decal, color-keyed pinstriping, and nameplate decals on the front fender and tailgate. Hard-working utility, distinctive looks, a smooth ride that rivals a passenger car, together with great fuel economy, makes El Camino the practical choice to handle the tasks of the 80s. When looking for a good combination of performance and efficiency in a pickup truck, look no further than El Camino. Because El Camino features new innovations and functional improvements to continue to provide impressive operating efficiency in 1981. And there's a wide choice of power teams, so the right engine, transmission, and rear axle ratio can be selected to fit individual performance needs. All El Caminos are equipped with an onboard digital computer that's designed to help reduce exhaust emissions while providing efficiency and smooth engine performance. Computer command control continually monitors information from as many as 6 sensors, including throttle position, manifold vacuum, oxygen readings, engine temperature, and engine speed. The space-age computer then processes this information and makes adjustments to as many as 6 different systems, including the carburetor fuel system and the ignition system. In fact, the computer can make up to 10 carburetor adjustments per second. By continually monitoring the engine systems, computer command control is fine-tuning the engine as it's driven. Computer command control is also programmed to activate a torque converter clutch that's standard on all El Caminos with automatic transmissions. It provides a mechanical link with the engine at normal road speeds that allows the engine to operate at reduced RPM. This mechanical linking helps prevent fuel-wasting slippage. Here's a demonstration. This tachometer is reading engine RPM just before the torque converter clutch locks in. As acceleration levels off to normal road speed, the clutch engages. Notice how the RPM drop accordingly. The end result? The engine turns slower while road speed is maintained. The easier rolling the vehicle, the less power it takes to move it. That's why all El Caminos are standard with a new generation of higher pressure radial tires. They roll easier than the non-radials they replaced and actually contribute to El Camino's impressive fuel efficiency. In addition to fuel economy, El Camino offers operating efficiency through long recommended maintenance intervals under normal driving conditions. For example, 7,500 miles between oil changes, or longer than the distance from New York to LA, back to New York, and back to LA again. 30,000 miles for spark plugs, or the equivalent of once around the world. And 100,000 miles for automatic transmission fluid, or almost 4 times around the world. And with an El Camino, there's no need to replace points and condenser because of a high-energy ignition system that puts out up to 35,000 volts, providing a hotter spark than a conventional system for quick starting in all kinds of weather. El Camino for 1981, engineered to offer outstanding operating efficiency in a hard-working pickup. Underneath El Camino's passenger car eye appeal is a hard-working truck, built to handle up to 1,250 pounds of gross payload without overloading. The all-steel full-perimeter frame is designed especially for El Camino. 14 strategically placed body mounts help soak up road shocks and isolate road noise from the passenger compartment. For a smooth, balanced ride, husky coil springs are computer matched to the weight of each El Camino, including options. On curves, El Camino's standard front stabilizer bar helps keep things on an even keel. When it comes to the business end of this truck, cargo items slide in or out on a sturdy steel floor that's ribbed. And standard air-adjustable rear shock absorbers help level the load and stabilize the ride. The box sidewalls and tailgate feature double wall construction so that minor dents on the inside don't show on the outside. And extensive anti-corrosion treatments help keep El Camino looking good. Zinc-rich pre-coated or galvanized steels are used in areas especially critical to corrosion. The entire body is spray primed or totally submerged in a vat of electrostatically charged primer. Special sealers are applied to welded joints to help keep out moisture. Then, aluminum wax preservative is sprayed inside the fenders, box sides, and doors. Corrosion protection for El Camino is so complete, it's backed by Chevrolet's 3-year perforation from corrosion warranty. That's El Camino's built-in value for 81. Good looks never carried so much weight. There's more to enjoy than ever before with the 1981 El Camino. More style from this new instrument panel and conveniently placed controls. More passenger comfort with this newly available 55-45 split bench seat in smart knit cloth or easy to care for vinyl. The seat choice includes optional buckets in attractive new fabric or vinyl as shown here with available center console. Or for comfortable 3-passenger seating, choose the standard bench seat in stylish knit cloth or vinyl. El Camino is designed to add pleasure to utility. And unlike many other economy pickups, El Camino offers cab room for 3 adults and a wide array of available options, like a comfort tilt wheel that adjusts for easy driving, air conditioning with 5 instrument panel air vents for controlled comfort, the convenience of available power windows, and added security and convenience of available power door locks. You get a choice of 6 optional sound systems, including this AM/FM stereo radio with stereo cassette tape. And for easy, comfortable maneuvering, power steering is standard for 1981. El Camino's smooth, comfortable ride also means a quiet ride. Amberlight, a flexible, dense blanket that absorbs sound, is used extensively around the passenger compartment. For instance, here, underneath the luxurious cut pile carpeting. And the headliner is foam padded. Thick door seals help seal out wind noise. And the use of mastics and fiberglass blankets under the hood help absorb engine and road noise. In addition to a quiet, comfortable ride for passengers, El Camino offers plenty of enclosed storage space. Here behind the seat and in this concealed storage area, ideal for storing valuables and large enough for a standard piece of luggage. car-like comfort and operating convenience. Part of what makes owning an El Camino pickup so enjoyable.